St. James. I'm one of the hardware engineers working on the time card project. Today I'll be going through the other parts of the time card that you'll need to order if you want to make the time card fully work. This is the second video after the first video where I detailed the fabrication and assembly process for the time card baseboard using PCBWay as a fabrication and assembly house. These are the accessories that I'll be going over today. They include the JTAG programmer, which you'll use through this header to program the FPGA. The FPGA daughter card here from A-Links, the SMB to SMA cable here to connect the GPS receiver to the front panel, the GPS receiver daughter card here, the RCB F9T, and the PCIe bracket here that you'll attach to the time card so that way you can insert it like a normal PCIe card into a host system. So to start off with, we'll take a look at the JTAG programmer. This is one I found on Amazon. It worked for me. I'm sure there's other options for FPGA programmers that work with Xilinx. This is just one that I found that's relatively cheap on Amazon and has lots of different cable options. This one has the correct connector for the time card connector. So this is one that I've used in the past. For the second accessory, the FPGA daughter card, you can order through the A-Links website or through Amazon. If you want to keep it simple, it's all through Amazon. You can order it here directly, about $360 per daughter card, and this is the FPGA card for the time card. For the SMB to SMA cable, there's nothing particularly special about this one that I'm linking here on Amazon, as long as you have the SMB right angle to SMA cable, and the length is about 6 inches, as this one has, half a foot. That's all you need. So you need half a foot with SMB right angle to SMA female. You can get these from Mouser or DigiKey or Amazon, or I'm sure there's lots of other sources. Nothing particularly special about the one we're using. For the RCB F9T, which is the GPS receiver daughter card, they are orderable from DigiKey. As of this video, there are some in stock actually. So you can just order this directly from DigiKey and you will just put this into the time card directly. There are probably parts on Mouser too. I'm not too interested in checking that right now. If you're feeling adventurous, we did actually make a version of this ourselves. So that's under here. So in the same GitHub directory project, timecard GNSS ublocks RCB F9T Altium Fab, we have the Gerber's BOM and pick in place for our version of the RCB F9T. So if this RCB is not available on DigiKey, you can go through the same process that I went through on the first video for this one using PCBWay to fab out this module. So this will help you alleviate any kind of supply concerns if that's not available. If you plan to go this route and have any questions, you can leave comments on this video or on the GitHub as a issue tracker request. The last item is the PCIe bracket. So the PCIe bracket files are actually under timecard hardware MCAD PCIe bracket v4. So we're mainly looking at the PDF and the step file. In the first video, I went over the project file that I uploaded, which has all of the Gerber, BOM, and Centroid for the time card. I also uploaded the PCIe bracket and PDF as part of that. So I'll just go from this step. There's another way to do it through the PCBWay website, but this might be a little easier. So you just go from the step file, do the little cart. So this will take you directly to the CNC sheet metal page. They'll parse the step file, make this cool little 3D view, which is the PCIe bracket for the time card. So you have two GNSS and 10 SMA outputs. Those are where the cables go through. And then the 4 SMAs for the time card. This is up to you. The material, I would probably do aluminum. I'm not much for mechanical, so please, if this is the wrong option, I'm sorry. For technical drawing, I would just go ahead and upload the PDF again. So timecard bracket v4. So again, under the zip file, timecard hardware MCAD bracket and the PDF. We don't need to tap it. We do like the silk screen. I'm not sure Oh, white, okay. I guess because my browser is dark mode. So do white on that. We don't need laser engraving and we don't need assembly. And then that's it. And then you just go to submit request. Give it a quantity, sure 10. Submit request. And then it'll just show up here and they'll review it like they do the PCB. I haven't personally built this way. So if you try this and it works, feel free to let us know that it worked. Or if it doesn't work, feel free to ask us for some advice. I'm going to delete this because I do not need these brackets. So that should be all the accessories that you need in order to make a PCB baseboard work, and then program it and then use it as a normal time card. If there are any questions, please again leave them in the comments on this video or on the GitHub as an issue, and we will try to address any concerns. Thank you.